Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here, back with another video. Today we're going to look at the R9 290. Specifically, this is a Club 3D R9 290 Royal King Edition. It is the AMD Hawaii architecture with 2,560 cores, 160 TMUs, 64 ROPs, and 4GB in GDDR5 memory size with a 512-bit bus. This card is a literal beast, guys. It can still stack up to some AAA games to this day. But we are going to look at, of course, the mining hash rates, and if it is profitable in 2019. The algorithms we are going to test today are ETHash for Ethereum, Kryptonite V8 for Monero, 16x16r for Ravencoin, and then ProgPow for the up-and-coming new Ethereum implementation, which may happen near the end of the year. I hope this video will help you guys. If you guys have R9 290s, let's get started. Alright guys, I don't know if you can hear that, the fan. I have it on at 100% right now. Okay, alright guys, so as you can see, top right, we got the card in the test frame. I got a little 120mm Noctua industrial PPC fan right on it right now at 100%. The stock kilowatt idle wattage right now is about 57, 56, 50 watts. Fluctuates. I'm gonna say 50. So base wattage 50 watts. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get base hash rate and wattage and enter them in what to mine for this R9 290. Club 3D R9 Royal King Edition. So let's start off with Ethereum. So we're going to use the Phoenix Miner 4.1c. This is the latest Ethereum miner from Phoenix Miner. Let's see what kind of hash rates we are going to get. Alright, the wattage is pumping up. Yeah, so the TDP on this card is 275 watts. Ooh, that's a lot. That's a lot. Oh man, this card is making a lot of noise. A lot of crackling noise as well. It's not doing too hot. 17 mega hash? That doesn't seem right. Okay guys, so I decided to find out how to BIOS mod this R9 290. Never done it before, but I did find this Reddit post from Tuzlak about a year ago. R9 290, 390 using 150 watts and mining Monero, Electroneum 700 watts, Ethereum 24 mega hash. So just to clarify and verify, I am using the blockchain driver for this card because this card is about 4 or 5 years old. So I'm using the blockchain driver from August 8th, 2017. Now, yeah, I'll have this link below if you guys want to try it. But I did try it, and I BIOS modded the. If I use GPU-Z here, I saved the BIOS through GPU-Z, and then I opened it up. Let's close that. I opened it up in the Hawaii BIOS reader, which I downloaded from this guy here on this post. So I opened it up. I opened up the BIOS file. I have the stock Hawaii here. And he says to change the power play and limit tables. So I did that, and they're supposed to be like this. GPU frequency, I changed the 500 all the way down and 900 for the last one, and then 1000 for mem frequency. And then the limit tables, everything was changed to 1000. These numbers were much different before. As you can see here, stock 65,285. I don't know what, 85, 86, 87, 88. So yeah, you save that. Once you've done that, let me know in the comments if you guys need this file. I can upload it somewhere, or just pause the video, and then you guys can see the numbers I've used. Okay, so and then to BIOS to add the BIOS onto the card, you just use ATI WinFlash, which I've downloaded from Tech Power Up, which I've done already. So now the idle wattage for the card is now 90. For the whole system is 91 watts. Let's minimize that. And then as you can see, the core clock on this card is now 900, and the mem clock is 1000, which is interesting. So we are going to try Ethereum now and see what hash rate we get. So back then, a year ago, they were getting 25 mega hash. But now, I don't know. I was getting 22 with the stock BIOS. So take that as you will. I don't know if I'm gonna get the same thing, but I think it's gonna be lower. Yeah, 17, 18.2 mega hash. So the hash rate may be lower, but as you guys can see, the system is now running at about 180 watts. Before, it was running at 270, 280 watts with the stock BIOS, mining Ethereum at 22, 23 mega hash. I'm supposed to get 30 or something, but I think there was someone was saying because the R9 290 cards, the Epoch, DAG, over time, as it builds up higher, it lowers the mega hash. I'm not quite sure what that is, but I've tried different drivers. I've tried all different kind of things. I'm only getting these kind of hash rates. So the blockchain driver should work. I remember getting 30 mega hash on this blockchain driver with an R9 290. I also tried to use the old Claymore miner, Claymore 10.0 or something. That was back in 2017 after the blockchain driver, but it wouldn't run. So yeah, look at that. This power hungry R9 290, 180 watts, getting about 20 mega hash for Ethereum. Oh, we found a share. And also the temperature is much lower, 68 degrees. So that's nice. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put this information in what to mine here. Oh, there it is, what to mine. So the only four I'm gonna benchmark here is Kryptonite, XMR, and ProgPow. So, these are my old numbers, so I'm gonna change these. It's gonna be now, I'm gonna say 19.6 mega hash at 191 watts. Okay, we are going to try. We're gonna try. Did I just raise the wattage by opening up this browser? I think I did. It's like what was it before? 170 something? I get. Anyways, that's okay. Kryptonite V8. All right, let's go to SRB miner and try Kryptonite. Start. So I was getting 767 on the old BIOS with 767 hash rate on the stock BIOS, and now I'm getting and it was 285 watts. So let's see what wattage and hash rate we're getting with this. 623 hash, 636 hash. So we are getting about 635 hashes per second on Kryptonite at 180 watts. Now we were getting 767 before at 285 watts. So we're saving about 100 watts, guys. 100 watts and about 120, 130 hashes. I call that pretty good saving. Pretty much cut in half the wattage usage on this card. R9 290. I wonder if it's going to be profitable for me. Okay, let's put these numbers in. I'm going to say 635 kryptonite hashes and 180 watts for the kryptonite V8. All right, we are now going to try 16R. R9 290. So we're going to use Evermore 1.4.1. This is for the AMD miner. AMD cards. Okay, so I was getting about 2.8 mega hash, 266 watts on the stock BIOS on the R9 290, and this is for the 16R algorithm, aka for Ravencoin. Man, the card's making a lot of noise. It's clicking like crazy. I'm scared for the card. Okay. Okay, so what are we getting here? 3.0 mega hash. 3.0 mega hash. 163 watts. I'm gonna let this run for a little bit. 164 watts, 165. Okay, so it looks like we've plateaued at 3.0, 3.01, oh, 2.69. It's fluctuating a bit on Ravencoin. Okay, so it's about a little better. 3.02 mega hash. I'm gonna go with that. So from 2.8 to 3.02. And from 266 watts to 165 on this R9 290, guys, with the BIOS mod. That's crazy. I've lowered it down so much just from BIOS modding it. BIOS modding this R9 290. Okay, guys, last one I want to try out is ProgPow. The new ProgPow. Once Ethereum hopefully moves to this new proof of work algo. So ProgMiner start. This is just to the testnet.progpool.pro. Okay, so I was getting 10 mega hash before at 316 watts on the stock BIOS. Let's see what we get on this guy now. 10 mega hash, 9.98 mega hash. Oh, accepted share, 9.9 mega hash at 243.42 watts, 9.92, 9.96 mega hash, 9.95, accepted share. 9.91. Okay, so about 9.9, 9.99, 9.96, 9.92, 9.86. I'm gonna say 9.5, 9.95. Okay, so we dropped down the ProgPow mega hash just a little bit, but look how much wattage we're saving. About 70, 80 watts. Yeah, about 80 watts. So I've put 9.92-ish. And from 316 watts down to 232 watts after the BIOS mod. Okay, I'm just gonna close the hashing, guys. As you can see, it is working. All right, that's the end of the test. So we got the 4 pretty much profitable-ish hash rate for the R9 290 that I could try. I tried doing Aeon. The card would not mine Aeon that well. It's pretty bad. Okay. So I got the wattage in there, got the hashes in there, and I'm gonna put 0.06 cents per kilowatt and hit calculate. Is it profitable, guys? Let's see. Oh, it's not. It's not. This card is pretty bad, guys, even at 0.06. If you guys have free electricity, then you would be making, let's see, Ethereum Classic you're making 22 cents a day on this card. 22 cents a day, 21 cents a day on Ethereum. Kryptonite V8, you're making 14 cents. X16R, we were making 8 cents. And the ProgPow one's not it. Oh, the ProgPow one is here. Yeah, Bitcoin interest. Okay. All right. So yeah, looks like Bitcoin interest is the most profitable coin on this R9290 with the BIOS mod. At 31 cents. At my rate, 0.06 cents per kilowatt USD. If I mine with it today, I'm losing 4 cents a day. So that's fun. Okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. This kind of like just showing the hash rates of this R9290. I hope you guys can, if you guys were interested in mining it, I'll have all the information down in the description from BIOS modding and all the different miners to use for the profitable coins, ProgPow, Bitcoin interest, all that stuff. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. The community, the mining community is such a great community. I enjoy talking with you guys. I also enjoy talking with all the other YouTubers. It's such a tight-knit community, and it's of course I believe it has kind of died down, but you know, we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going for the next bull run, right? Right? Am I right? I'll let myself out. All right, guys. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.